Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on my tent trailer. This is a 10 foot by 5 foot utility trailer with a rooftop tent on it. Having some issues with the boards. You can tell it's super easy. I'm not sure how easy it is to see in the camera, but check out the gap there. Like, I'm not sure what happened. It looks like these boards are trying to make the letter S. So went and got some new boards. Give you a little closer look here. Look at that gap. Look at that crazy gap. So let's just follow that gap down to the other side. So it looks like these three boards, I'm not sure what happened there, but we're going to replace these three boards. So that's what's going on. We're just going to start taking out these screws. They're just Phillips screws. Can you see that right there? Let's see. And they're stripped out in the middle, so that's pretty awesome. So it's going to take some work. I need two hands, so I'm just going to get these screws out. I'll be right back. So I just wanted to show, I got two of the boards out, but I haven't removed one screw. And if you look, right here's the screw, but if we turn it over, it's not sticking out. Like, that screw is completely broke off inside the trailer. So I'm not sure what happened. It looks like these boards kind of, I think they weren't treated. I think they got hot and wet and warped. But I haven't pulled any of these screws out. And look, right here's a screw. But look at this board. This board has absolutely no screws in it. I just am able to pick this up and pry it out. So I did get some stainless screws to replace those, luckily, but it looks like I'm going to have to go through and replace all of the screws because I'm betting none of these boards are screwed down. So we'll see how that goes once I get my other boards. So I just sawed that off to get that out because this is the worst board with the S, and I don't think I can reuse this for anything, so I'm probably just going to cut it up and make it firewood at some point. But I got the three out, so let me go get the three new ones. Alright, I'm cleaning up. I broke the fourth one getting it out, so I need to go to the hardware store and get another one tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm cleaning off. You can see how rusty it was under there. So I just cleaned these off, and it's getting late. I don't want to bug my neighbors, so I'm just going to throw a quick coat of primer down, and then and my grinding disc is almost gone anyway, so charge up my batteries and get a grinding disc and another board, and I'll finish that up tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna paint a little primer. Alright, gang, we got it primered and painted, sanded down, ready to put our wood on. The wood still needs to be cut. It's just slightly less than 10 feet. So we're probably going to quit for the night and let this dry. And we will cut the wood tomorrow night and lay it in there. So I'll see you tomorrow night. Alright guys, there's my new floor. They're all cut and ready to go in. This is how it's going to go in to right here. Pretty exciting. I got all the boards in there. They just need to be spaced out and screwed down. So as you can see, they fit pretty well right together, but then I have too much of a gap. So I'm going to have to put a gap in it. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but the boards are all in. All right, just so you guys can see it, I have it in the pocket there. And I have a 4x4 right here on a beam. And then my board is going up. And then I'm going to go to the other side, lean down, and then pop that in that pocket there. And then come back and pull this 4x4 out. So that's been my technique so far to get this done. All right, I got it spaced out. I got them in there, but I think I got too much gap in the middle. So, in the gap in the middle, I think is going to need like a 1-inch board. So I think I might go see if I can find. So these boards are 7 inches wide. So I think I might replace this center board with like maybe 2 4-inchers if that's a thing. And that should take up that hole right there. So, but it looks pretty good, right? I got the floor in. I got all the new flooring that I need. Look at that. Tomorrow I'm going to screw it down. It's just laying in there. It's not screwed down because it's almost midnight and my neighbors probably wouldn't appreciate it. So we'll do it tomorrow evening as the sun starts to go down. It gets a little cooler. But it's pretty neat. I'm not sure I'm exactly going with that spacing, but it does look pretty good. What do you think? Let me know. All right. We'll catch you back up tomorrow when we're screwing in the screws. And then I think that's about it other than painting it. Although I think I'm going to use truck bed liner to seal it. But the lows are higher than the heat range of laying the truck bed liner. So I don't think I'm going to be able to do it until November, but we'll see. I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll let you know more tomorrow. All right. Take a look. It's all done. I just need to seal it. I'm going to seal it with bed liner like I did over here on my car trailer. This is, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got bed liner on it. So I know this isn't like my usual video of camping and jeeping and stuff like that, but this is my tent trailer. So my tent's up here and this is where I haul my quad when we go up camping. So I thought it'd be interesting. I'm not sure when I can seal the deck because it's well over 110 degrees here and I don't think I can spray it when it's that hot. So it might have to wait till September, October, November. So I'm going to wrap up this video. If I do take a chance and shoot it while it's hot, I will update. I'll probably create another video on the shooting. So stay tuned if you want to see it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll catch you in the next one.